Drawing freehand. Paint allows us to draw freehand using brushes and pencil tool. Brushes tool. Brushes tool is used for freehand drawing. Follow these steps to use brushes tool. Step 1. Click on the brushes tool from the tools group. Step 2. Select the brush you want. Step 3. Select any color from the colors group.
Step 4. Select the size, thickness of the brush. Step 5. Drag the mouse to draw freehand. Release the mouse button gently.
Pencil tool. The pencil tool is used to draw with a free hand. To draw using the pencil tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Pencil tool in the Tools group. Step 3. Choose a color from the Colors group.
Step 4. Select the size, thickness of the pencil. Step 5.
Move the pointer to the drawing area and drag the mouse to draw.